What if I was young and ginger and not cheap? What if I was never prepared?
Bang, yeah. Right guys, this is a vehicle that you'd have to look really close by to find out the subtle difference on it. So we're going to see if the camera can pick this up. This is one of the vehicles we've partnered with for Raptor coating. Can you spot the difference between this fender and this bumper? This has been Raptor coated. I can try and scratch on there, nothing's going to happen. Obviously Raptor coat is world renowned, very big in Australia as well. Interestingly enough, it's a product that actually comes from England. But yeah, Raptor coating is used for bumpers, undercarriages, and you can basically spray wood, plastic, steel, anything. Engine enamel you can do with it. You can heat treat and spray your exhausts with it. They've really got quite a few products that we're going to use. In future we're going to show you guys, we're going to be doing the inside of the wheel arches. Obviously that's one of the things with Jimny, you can always see that color inside the wheel arches. We think if we do it with a nice black, it just cleans it up nice and makes the vehicle look a lot more classy and different. Plus this is super protective and anti-corrosive, so it's going to protect against your rust and your little chip marks and stones and those sort of things. So really happy to be on board with Raptor. We'll show you guys inside. Just a little display stand that they have with us. You go from having a full 4-liter kit, which comes with a gun, a spray gun as well for like the guys using compressors, right down to a little aerosol can. You can just put your hardener in the bottom, click a button, everything mixes nicely. You spray and you use it once off. So they really have cool products, and they're very into doing it the DIY style. So anyone can use it, from a professional panel beater to you at home. So yeah, let's have a look around. This rear bumper is done and the front bumper on this is done. As I said, in future we're going to be showing you guys exactly how nice this looks when we do the inner wheel arches on some of our demos. So yeah, let's go have a look inside. Thanks guys. Right guys, we're inside now. As we said, partnered with Raptor, they've got this display stand here for us, starting from the big 4-liter kits, which would basically be able to spray the whole bottom end of a vehicle and some of the other parts like rock sliders, bumpers, the inner wheel arches, everything. Then you've got the smaller 1-liter kits, that would be to spray like accessories on if you'd want to, using a spray gun. And then on the top here we've got all the aerosol products. Okay, so that's the stuff that you can. This one is used like for exhausts. That's an engine enamel. You've got a caliper enamel, and then obviously got some of your primers, and then a touch-up one. And this would be to actually an aerosol to actually spray an accessory and make sure that it's protected. You can see this is also tintable. So if you're buying a 1-liter or a 4-liter kit, you can tint it and texturize it any which way you please. It's a very versatile product and very easy to use. Tons and tons of videos on the internet about this and how to use it, so you can't really go wrong. But obviously if you're not doing a DIY, we also install this now. So on not just Suzuki, any vehicle that you want your Raptor coating done, we'll be able to help you out with that. So yeah, very proud to be associated with them. To finish off guys, remember Flex in the City Tuesdays. So our vehicles flexing outside again. We'll definitely be getting more of those and putting the vehicles in some different locations. But please, in the comments, put your Flex in the City photos and see maybe you can win a power bank. See you on the next one. Thanks guys.